Plus 0.
Good morning students. 7th class science we were reading chapter number 7. Now we will read about adaptation in animals to the polar region. What are the polar regions? Very cold region that are called polar region. The polar regions are covered with snow and are very cold throughout the year. Means full year that regions are very cold. That areas are covered with the snow mostly. During winters the temperature can be as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius. In winter season their temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. Animal living under such severe conditions have adapted by developing the certain specific features. Which animals are living in the polar region, in their body some special features are there. Now we will discuss about that features, general features which are in almost in all the animals which are living in the polar region. Animals living in the polar region usually white or light colored. Usually that animals are white in color or any light color. It makes them not easily visible in the snowy background, so that they cannot be visible in the snow, and protect them from their predators, means which want to kill them, which want to catch them, so that they can protect them from their predators. It also helps them to catch their prey easily. They can catch their prey also. Most animals living in the polar region hibernate during the winter and utilize the energy from the food already stored in their body. What is the meaning of hibernate? Hibernate means sleep. They are sleeping in the winter so that they can use the energy of the which food they have already stored in their body. Hibernation also minimize the metabolic activities. What are the metabolic activities? Which chemical processes are occurring in their body, that are called metabolic activity. Because they are sleeping in the winter, so their chemical processes also becomes less in their body. Animals in these regions have thick wool and fleece on their bodies. This protect them from the extreme cold. Their body is covered with thick wool, and so that they can protect themselves from the very cold. The fat under the skin also gives them protection against the cold. Under their skin fat is present. Due to that fat they can protect them from the cold. Adaptation in the polar bears. First adaptation is white thick fur. Polar bear's body is covered with white color thick fur. By the white color, so that they cannot be easily visible in the snowy background. Thick fur protect themselves from the cold. Second is layer of fat under the skin. In the polar bears, their in their body layer of fat is there under their skin, so that they can protect themselves from very cold. It provides the additional insulation and protect them from the cold. So that insulation means so that heat of their body cannot come out. Next is wide and large paws having claws. Such paws help the polar bear in swimming, digging the snow easily. They can move in the snow. Self defense means they can protect themselves. Walking on the snow easily, they can walk on the snow, and holding the prey, so that they can hold their prey very easily. Next is a strong sense of smell. They can easily smell the things. This helps the polar bear to locate its enemy or its prey, so that they can smell their prey. Hibernation. During the winter, polar bears go for long sleep, means they are sleeping in the winter in their dens. During hibernation, they live on the stored body fat, which things firstly they have eaten, they live on that body fat. Next is adaptation in the penguins. See, this is the picture of the penguins. From front side they are white in color, and from back side they are black in color. White feathers on the belly they are white in color. White feathers on the belly merge well with the snowy background, so that they can merge, they can mix with their body, mix with the snowy background. This protect the penguins from their predators. Short but thick features make their body waterproof. Thick feathers, see, their short feathers are also there, so that they can make their body waterproof, means they can live in the water also. Thick layer of fat under the skin. Under the skin, fat, thick skin and feathers on their body protect the penguins from the extreme cold conditions. Next is streamlined body. Due to their streamlined body, they can easily swim in the water also. Penguins live in the groups and remain huddled together, means they are not living alone, they are living in the groups, they are making groups and they are living in the groups. Huddled means in rush they are living. This feature help them to keeping warm. Next is adaptation of polar birds. Which birds? These were the animals. Now adaptation of polar birds. Birds living in the polar region cannot survive in extreme cold winter, means in winter season they cannot survive in that area. To survive, they migrate to warmer region. Migrate means they move to any warmer region as soon as the winter sets, means when they know when winter start, then they are going in another area, and return after the winter is over, and when winter is over, then they are coming back to that area. This temporary change in the living place is called migration. This is called migration. For example, Siberian crane migrate from the Siberia to they are giving Bharatpur bird sanctuary, means that is going in the Rajasthan. Sultanpur bird sanctuary, it is in Haryana. Wetlands of northeastern part of India, in that areas these polar birds are going. Thank you.